All newly planted trees require a staking kit. The reasons for that are simple. You don't want your lovely tree to blow away in the wind. There's two methods. One is a single stake, one's a double. We're going to show you how to do both. And here's Paul and Matt to show us how to single stake a tree.
First of all, we're going to put it in diagonally so you miss the root ball on the tree. Matt's going to hold it.
Take care to ensure your stake misses the root ball of your newly planted tree. You need to knock your stake roughly 75 centimetres into the ground to make sure it stays secure.
In the kit that you get, there'll be a stake, a block, some belting and nails. Next we're going to put the strap on the tree. So if you thread the belting through the block, go around the tree, back through the belting. The block goes between the tree and the stake, like so. Put the nail in that end. Pull the belting round so it's secure and tight.
Paul is a highly experienced member of our planting team, so has done this many times before. Take your time with this part of the process to ensure your tree is secured safely.
Put the nail in right next to the block, and it stops the tree coming out that way. Don't bang the nail right in though, because then when the tree grows you can undo the nail and give it a bit of slack. Then you put one in the other side.
And that's how to single stake a tree. So now Paul and Matt are going to show us how to double stake a tree. Our double staking kit includes 2 stakes, a crossbar, a rubber block, strapping and nails.
Well, first of all, when you come to double stake the tree, these rails are made so they go to each side of the root ball. Put the block in between the tree and the rail, and then you can get your stakes the right distance away for when you put your rail in further up. Stand each stake up at the end of the rail just to see that you get it right. And then if you just lift your rail up like that to the sort of position you're going to have it, and you'll see that it's just about spot on. So we'll get rid of that now. Take the stakes out, and Matt's going to bar the hole.
It's a good idea to bar the hole. This will make it easier to knock the stakes in.
Now we're going to hammer the stakes in.
Take care when hammering the stakes in, and it's always best if you can to have somebody with you to help.
Take these to about waist high, then they're good and firm in the ground. Usually put the rail on the top, keep it nice and level. So then you get your block and your rail, sit your rail on top. Make sure your tree's straight. Then you put your block behind your tree You get a little nail, you put it in the middle of the block, and nail it to the rail like that. Put the rail down, block between the tree, cheers, put your rail at the top. Show your rails level through. The rail on, and now to strap it on. Nail the strap at one end, round the tree, back down the back of the rail, out at the bottom, round the tree again, making sure it's tight all the time. You can pull the nails out and slacken that off when the tree grows.
And there you have it, how to single and double stake a tree.